All right, Devin, go on the tone. Wesley, Mike, Mitchell, Jesse, Josh, Brian, Gunther. Go, Gunther. Right in front of the driver's stand. Watch in front of the driver's stand. Josh, watch out. Brian, watch out. 16-7. Drivers, I need you to make sure to let me know if you're not staying for the mains. I know a lot of you guys are leaving before the mains. If you're not staying for the mains, let me know so I can get you out of the mains.
17-7, 16-0, 16-0, 16-2, 17-1, 16-9, 17-2, 16-3, 16-4.
Man, half down at 4, Wesley, Mitchell. Mike is 19.513, Wesley 19.514, Mitchell 18.501.
16-2, 17-0.
2 minutes down. Go 4, Wesley, Mitchell.
16-1, 17-9, 17-2, 17-3, 17-2.
Watch up top here, guys. Follow up top.
18-1, 18-3, 16-0,
2 minutes left.
16-0,
Just over a minute left. It's Mike, Wesley, Mitchell. Mike is 18.502, Wesley is 18.506, and Mitchell is 18.511. Race 4. Race 4. Stock buggy. You're up in 1 minute. 15 seconds. Race 4, you got 15 seconds.
16-4, 17-8, 17-7.
All right, guys, that is clock. Keep going, call your name.
Caller 1 is done.
7, you're done. Mike Fuller's done.
Caller 5 is done.
Jesse's done. Wesley's done. Brian's done.
Caller 4 is done.
Mitchell's done. Looking for Circus Gunther.
Caller 8 is done.
Gunther's done. Everybody is done. Stock buggy race.